Hey, let's learn how to solder. I got two pieces of copper here. I'm going to solder them together. First thing you do is rub up your two pieces of metal with sandpaper or steel wool, something like that. Get them shiny. Get all tarnish off them. This is flux. Flux is a chemical that helps the soldering process move ahead. Put a little piece on each, a little wipe to each piece here. And then we're gonna take our solder, take our torch, and have at it. There you go, it's all done. Stick around for a couple of seconds and it'll cool enough so I can pick it up. Once the solder gets solidified, there you go. That's all there is to it. Try it yourself. Be careful, it's hot.